Videocon is already in the green. Ajay joins in with details on what the deal means for the respective players, particularly money-wise. Ajay.
Well, Tanveer, it's a very important deal to be tracked because after the KN Vedanta deal actually happened in the hydrocarbon space, probably from an Indian company's perspective, this will be the largest outbound deal. Also, something which needs to be tracked because $2.5 billion is what Videocon will be selling its 10% stake to ONGC-led consortium, along with the Oil India will be buying it. We understand from top sources that in the next 24 hours, the deal will be signed. It may be announced very shortly, but minimum, in the next 2 to 3 days, we may hear a formal announcement on that. Also, valuations are very important because that will be impacting a lot of companies apart from Videocon as well. ONGC, which is actually bearing the maximum amount of bill of this particular purchase, 6% comes to ONGC, 4% goes to Oil India. But BPCL is also expected to see a rub-off because BPCL also holds 10% stake in the same block. We are talking about the Mozambique Basin block, which has got around 65 trillion cubic feet of gas. And in the last 1.5 years, as per the announcements, there always has been a uptick in the reserve estimates. So BPCL is also a beneficiary. Of course, the biggest beneficiary is Videocon, which gets to reduce the big debt which it had on its books because of monetizing this particular asset. But ONGC and Oil India are the acquirers. Some of the analysts on the street, like CLSA, are not very optimistic about the valuations ONGC is actually paying for, and are indicating that some pressure may build up as far as the EPS of ONGC and All India are concerned. But in larger scheme of things, at a strategic level, they are very aggressively going out and buying out equity oil and gas blocks in order to increase their production from overseas.